Hello everyone, my name is Nia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I am reviewing my very first brown sugar box. This is the September 2018 box. All boxes are unique in its own self every month. Alright, so this is what the box looks like this month. Alright, isn't that cute? I love anything that has to do with our people, anything black owned businesses, I love to support. So when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, oh, I need to try this. So I purchased and I finally got my box today. So I am going to do a review with you guys. I have not opened the box. I do not know what's inside. The box is a subscription base. So every month you pay $39.99 for the contents that is in the box. The shipping is $4.95. Alright, so you guys ready to open the box and see what's in here? Because I'm excited. Alright, so this is what's in the box so far. Alright, that's what it looks like. The outside of the box says Culture, Confidence, Soul, Delivered. Hashtag brown sugar box. Alright, here's the pamphlet. It says magical things are happening in our Facebook group. You should be here. Members only. So I've watched a couple reviews, and so the pictures have the pamphlet has pictures of last month's box, which was hair done, nails done, everything did. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Alright, so it also has the pink packaging, the little, I don't even know what this is called, but I will be saving that because you never know when you might need this for gifts or something. Alright, so the first thing that I see is a blue turquoise bracelet. And it says BGM. And if I had to guess what BGM was, I would think that it is Black Girl Magic. Alright, so it has a wrap bracelet that snaps. This is cute. Look, I'll be wearing this tomorrow. Alright, so it has a wrap bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does say BGM. And it has the triple snaps here. Alright, that's cool. I will be rocking that. Alright, thank you. I'm going to have to look up and see what BGM is, but if I had to assume, it is Black Girl Magic. Here is a magnet of the continent of Africa with a beautiful black female on the magnet. Alright, that is cool. Ooh, these are cute. The next is a pair of Africa shaped earrings. Oh, these I will definitely be rocking. Aren't these cute? Yes. And my sister just got me one of those large skirts that flow. I would definitely be rocking this. Oh, these are cute. Okay, moving on. And it does says Izzy and Liv here. That's the other earring. We'll be rocking that. The older I get, the more I appreciate my black people. Alright, every box comes with a t-shirt, and this t-shirt, first of all, feels good. I got a ladies large. What does it say? Beautiful. It is a shape of Africa, and it says Africa with a beautiful black female on there. Yes. And it is cute color for the fall. Alright, so like I said, I got a ladies large. Alright, a ladies large. I will post pictures. If you guys don't follow me, I am on Instagram, Brighteyed958 on Instagram, and then on Facebook, it is just Nia Cannon on Facebook. Alright, so this is a piece of fabric. It might be a head wrap. It is. And you can wrap it around your waist, but that's cute. It matches the shirt. Alright. So I'm assuming this, because each box has a theme, and so this theme, if I had to guess, is Africa. Yes. Yep, Africa is the theme. No wrong with that. I am am liking this. This is the September box. And then it also comes with, this is a pouch that matches the purse and the head wrap. Alright, so that's what the pouch looks like. And that's cute as well. Very cute. Alright. Alright, so that was everything that was in the box. So there was the Black Girl Magic bracelet, the Africa magnet with the beautiful female on there. We have the earrings, the Africa continent shaped earrings, the t-shirt, which I might actually rock tomorrow to work. Beautiful. The head wrap and the matching purse or console or makeup pouch. Alright. I am so excited about my box. And the contents of the box is equivalent to $120 worth of items. Yes. So the t-shirt is retail value is $28 for the t-shirt. The printed head wrap, which is right here. The printed head wrap, and it comes with, each box comes with 4 different patterns. So this is one of 4 patterns. The head wrap is retail value for $27. The bold motherland magnet, which is this right here, is retail for $5. The Ankara print pouch, one of 4 colors as well, is retail value for $22. And the Africa shaped earrings are retail for $11. And I was right, the Black Girl Magic cuff, one of 6 colors, but I got one of the cute colors. It doesn't show what the other ones are. Is retail for $18. It says there's definitely no shortage of Black Girl Magic in the world, but there's nothing wrong with letting everyone know. Cuffing season is upon us, because y'all know what cuffing season is. No one's going to hold you down better than this cuff. And I will be rocking this BGM cuff for the fall. So this month's box has a total value of $111 in the September box. I really am feeling this. This is the Africa edition. And it has all the different African tribes, the Zulu tribe, the Swahili tribe. I'm definitely feeling this. Okay. I will definitely continue. It has an article on finding the African experience in America. Best natural products from the motherland. If you guys can see that. Yes, I will be reading this tonight. Yes. Alright, cool. So, if you are interested in getting this box, you are definitely able to go to izzyandliv.com. Alright, that's who actually makes the box, the brown sugar boxes. These are really cute, guys. Look in the comments below for my referral code. You'll get $5 off, and I will also get $5 off if you use my referral code. Great. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more reviews in the future on the brown sugar box. Alright, thank you guys for joining me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye, y'all.